Today I bring you guys the elevator here at Padre Plaza, which is at 3505 Camino Del Rio South. We got an elevator here. Looks like it was originally a US. California compliant buttons. Let's go to 3. These have the same contacts as the regular type of Innovation Universal, they just look different. This does appear to be a full mod. Oh yeah, it's a KONE mod. KONE did it. Which probably means yeah. Ooh, that's red. Cool. One elevator in this building. All right, let's go before it nudges. Cool, KONE did the mod. This is an interesting mod to see from them. KONE. Oh, too bad. It would have been nice to see this thing original, but KONE did a good job. All right, that'll be it.